Everybody, welcome. I'm Claire, Maryland real estate lady. Let's get down to business. If anybody wants to go to karaoke with me, I am available. If you are thinking about buying a property in Anne Arundel County in Maryland, specifically Crofton for this example, I'm going to show you how to use the Anne Arundel County Public School System website to look up what address you are interested in and see where it will send your kids to school. So check this out with me. I would definitely bookmark this tab because it's a difficult to navigate website. And if you try to click out of this web app that I'm using right now, then it will take you back to the entire school website and you'll get lost. So let's jump in to reference links, find, locate your school. So as an example, I looked up this particular property here, and you literally just go to AACPS-transpo, transpo.maps.arcgis.com/apps, and it should bring this up. But again, the link's in the description. Save it in your bookmarks tab. It's very complicated to navigate otherwise. So let's go ahead and enter. We have our address, Drive. You can see right away, it will send you to Crofton Woods Elementary School. It will also send you to Crofton Middle and Crofton High School. And it is eligible for bus transportation. So your child can get bus transport for all three schools. All right, thanks for joining me. And if this content was helpful to you, don't forget to like and subscribe.